everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, I know so I will see one video where Mommy Iyore do, where she talk say when one woman go call for Umewa platform. You can't say na IVF na Mommy Iyore do it get belle. Say she not tell us the truth. Mommy Iyore can't lay curse on that person wey talk that thing for your body. Mommy Iyore can't lay curse because the house where that person dey, they not go ever see better person. You can't really swear. So my darling people, some people because they say they swear when they swear e not good. So I love wetin Izzy Ogbeide, because I always like to analyze her video. Because I love wetin she talk for the video, you understand? So she can't talk say wetin the woman really do not good, really. More than listen, sha, because the thing wetin she talk, it really makes sense. Well. More than listen, my darling people.
With your husband, they don't know you reach house. How you go feel? You feel bad, right? Before you do something, think unto yourself. It's nice. You have to put yourself in that person's shoes. If they do me this, how will I feel? Sometimes I want to come and do some live video. The next is easy like they will still day. And when I turn, I wafi. I be like, go pay me show. Izzy, I watch you go no written right in Izzy. If I am back on your we are kawe. Yeah, reason out to yourself. Now, follow. These people, we are human beings. If you're insulting me on fake account, posting about me, Izzy the crazy, Izzy the bobo cigar, you go post them. I see those things. It hurts me. Like, what did I do to these people? Think it to yourself. I don't know how to say it. Put yourself in the people's shoes or that person's shoes. How will you feel? Say the year and say IVF or yeah, we're not telling matter. Even it's in IVF, which is not a crime. It's not a bad thing, okay? I encourage it. If you're struggling for children and you have money, go do it. It costs.
Yeah, not be bad thing to do IVF. Not be bad thing. Me no know why we can't look this IVF. Me, that IVF is good where you just do it once. You just feel relax. So which one can't be person do IVF or you not do IVF? Since when Mommy Iyore saying get belle, people go just they talk different things. They go now IVF or now what's it concern una? Even though let's assume say na IVF now she really do. How is that your business? What it be your business for inside? Eh? Now who get money now they do IVF? Oh. Poor person not go do IVF. Me I want to say the money. Eh? I don't understand some of una sha. Pay school that is second one and the see for there. So now IVF we do it a bother a pikin. Ah. Because me can't carry microphone to tell una say na IVF na him do. I don't understand una sha.
The lowest IVF is 2,500.
Una the year.
The lowest, like one.
That is for Europe. Oh.
Now you know.
And if you see try that IVF so something not enter. If he enter, it go still come out. You will still do another one. You still pay another money. I bet you don't know. Nothing say it's just easy like that to do IVF. I don't understand that one. The reason as sure.
If you not come born, sorry, madam. Try again later. Two. Right, the lowest is 2,500. Imagine people get to do that all the time. They do first one, not do second one, not do. They don't born like 20,000 before they born 2 children. If you don't get access to government one, put yourself in her shoes. She costs you, oh yeah. Then I don't know you reply or anything. That's how she wanted to reply to you. That's how she's feeling.
Yes.
What you said to her, she's a human being. Yeah, I want you to know. When you're talking to people, even commenting, yeah, Izzy breast don't follow, that guy with the soccer, it hurts. I feel get the capacity or the ability to laugh it off, but it hurts.
Yeah.
Your words hurt. It pierces through the burn. Go inside bone marrow. touch the bone marrow, go past the other side, come on. That's what your words does. Yeah. Even then fake account, now go post after person do live video. Now go do, you want that person to feel the heat, right? They are feeling it. And most of them are fucking depressed because of you.
Yeah.
They are. So, madam, before you speak, now where they call, I know, I get no, nah. Selumake, wani ya webu webedi o wana one day, ihon. You don't know these things, but you just say it. You just want to call to instigate fight and saga. After now, say we they do saga, say we're not responsible, we they destroy those people name. Whereas you are the ones instigating it.
Yeah.
Whatever that is. Okay.
I don't like this Izzy. When you say if you drink water, you that caller will go call you meanwhile. He say if you drink water, you not go get happiness for your life.
I don't remember what she talked there. She felt it. She's pregnant. She's pregnant. Like me, when I'm pregnant, I'm depressed. You're crazy. Because I know they sleep for nights. Daytime like this, I go they sleep like a owl. So I go sleep. The night when people say they sleep, now that time they awake.
You know, say they don't they understand what pregnant women they really pass through. Really. I don't understand. How can you go just call for somebody platform, begin a lie, waiting your eye not really show? Because the way you take talk this thing, now you this caller, we go call for what you know one, you know they there. She not tell you say she want do IVF. How you continue know when you just call just know say now what did she go do now what did she do when she take get belle and your eye no reach her. Your eye no reach her, you that caller, your eye no reach her. Eh? More na hear the caller.
Because after
No, not before this one. You get way for the woman for talk where. Like woman where I no reach her more. She was not there, but you can't talk say she did there. Na IVF na she do. We she take get belle. What is your eye no reach? But people shine. No. People they lie. I said that this social media now the person go call. You don't know you go put big lie for your head. And this social media. Now wow, more na the fear God Make some of you they fear God. I not consider the video, my darling people again. So I don't want to think about this video. If Izzy Ogbeide makes sense for this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Please share the video, let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.